Hey everybody, welcome back to Spring Hill Fox. I'm Scott, and today we're diving into the ins and outs of Amazon Partner Program. Navigating this program can feel like navigating the twists and turns of Amazon River itself, but fear not. We're here to help to guide you through this smoothly. If you've been considering starting your own business on Amazon, you've landed on the right spot. Let's explore the options together and uncover some hidden treasures. Ready to dive in? All right, let's go. First things first, let's talk about becoming an Amazon partner. This involves using Amazon's affiliate program to earn commission by promoting products that they have. Think of yourself as a helpful guide steering your audience towards products they'll love and then earning a commission from Amazon as a thank you. Start your journey with Amazon Associates. First steps is signing up. Head on over to the official website and complete the registration process, and it's completely free. You gotta share your personal info and describe your digital presence, whether it be a blog, YouTube channel, social media account. But once you're approved, you're good to go. Once you're in, you'll get special links to share with your audience. When someone clicks and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about Shopify and WordPress. Now, Shopify first. Shopify is renowned for its ease of use and convenience. It's a fully hosted platform, meaning that you don't have to worry about managing hosting service. This makes it ideal for beginners or those who want to focus more on their business than technical aspects. With Shopify, you can access a range of professionally designed templates and themes that you can customize to fit your brand. It also offers many built-in tools and features such as inventory management, payment processing, and marketing tools. Additionally, Shopify takes care of the security measures, including the SSL certification, to protect your customers' data. But on the other hand, WordPress paired with WooCommerce provides unparalleled flexibility and customization options. WordPress is a versatile content management system that powers most of the internet. WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress, transforms your site into a fully functional e-commerce store. While WordPress is free, you'll need to handle hosting independently, which will give you more control and require more technical knowledge. With WordPress and WooCommerce, you can access a vast library of plugins and themes, allowing you to tailor your store precisely to your preference. This combination is perfect for those who want to complete control over their online store's design and functionality. Both platforms have their strengths, so pick based on your comfort level and tech knowledge and your business goals. Either way, you have a stunning site ready to sell Amazon products. Well, there you have it, folks. This guide will walk you through signing up as an Amazon partner and picking the perfect platform for your website. You ready to conquer the Amazon jungle and emerge with a thriving online store? If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and share button and hit that bell. This is Scott. Now, peace out.